Good morning, Ethan and Lily. Today we are learning digraphs, special letter pairs that join together to make one new sound, like magic. This is S and H. It makes a quiet sound like shh, the sound we use when we want silence or calm. Let's say it together slowly and clearly. Ready? We are quiet and calm like gentle wind blowing softly. Listen carefully. Ship, fish, shoes. All these words have esh sound. Say them slowly and clearly with me.
Fish, ship, and shoe.
Now try these words. Shop, shell, sheep. Notice how sh always sounds soft and smooth at the beginning.
Let's use sh in a sentence. The sheep is near the shop.
This is ch. It makes a strong ch sound, like a train moving forward or something gently chopping. Say it with energy and rhythm.
Chit, 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 chit. We sound like a happy little train moving forward together.
Repeat after me.
Chair, cheese, child.
Listen carefully to the beginning sound.
Chair, cheese, and child.
Let's look at the ch words. Chop, chin, cherry. Chop, chin, cherry also have ch sound.
Chin, chop, and cherry.
Wonderful job! Sentence time. The child eats cheese on the chair.
The child eats cheese on the chair.
Great! The child is on the chair. This is th. Place your tongue gently between your teeth and blow air softly to make the sound.
This is the word th, which makes the th sound.
Now try. Bath, thin, think. All these words have th sound. Say again. Bath, thin, and think.
Bath and think.
Say these words with me. Thumb,
Three, thread.
Notice the soft sound at the beginning of each word. I see 3 thin threads. Do you see, kids? 3 thin threads have th in them.
3 thin threads.
Wonderful! This is ph. It sounds like f, even though it looks different. It is a tricky but fun digraph. This is ph, which makes an f sound. Ph sounds like f, and we can say it easily with practice every day. Phone, photo, graph. Listen carefully to the F sound in these words. Phone, photo, and graph. Excellent! Now try. Elephant, dolphin, trophy.
Elephant, dolphin.
Notice PH sometimes comes in the middle of words too.
Dolphin and trophy.
Excellent! Here is a sentence. I take a photo with my phone. Both words photo and phone have f.
That's right. I take a photo with phone.
This is WH. It makes a soft, breathy sound like air moving gently.
Wah, make wah sound.
Let's say it together softly. Like wind blowing slowly and gently through the trees outside. Repeat. Whale, wheel, white. Listen carefully to the starting sound. All words whale, wheel, and white have what in it.
They all have what?
Now say, what, when, where. These are question words we use every day. The words what, when, and where have a what sound in them.
What, when, where?
Here is our sentence. Where is the white whale? Children, where, white, and whale have the w sound in them.
Where is the white whale? The w sound.
This is ng. It usually comes at the end of words and sounds like a humming.
Grr.
We make a soft humming sound at the end of words.
Excellent.
Say these words. Sing, ring, king. Listen carefully to the ending sound. Each word has an ing sound. sing, ring, and king. Now say long, song, wing. Each word has ng sound at the end of the word.
So words are long, song, and wing.
Let's look at this sentence. The bird sings a long song. The words sing, long, and song all have the sound.
A long song.
Let's quickly revise all digraph sounds together. SH, TH, PH, WH, and G. Repeat each sound slowly and clearly with confidence. Great job today! If you enjoyed learning digraphs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more fun learning videos,